Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and welcome back to a new video. As you guys can read by the title, I am here for an unboxing haul video, which I'm super excited about. I have been wanting this bag for a while now and I finally have it in my possession. I definitely have a list of like items that I want to purchase, and I like to go through them and tick off things and buy things and go through my wish list. So this is something that was on my wish list. So if you want to see what I purchased, what color I got, let's get into the specs, look at it. Yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so Telfar is the poppin' handbag, black owned handbag right now. Created by designer Telfar Clemens. He started his collection back in 2003, reconstructing and deconstructing vintage clothing. And then in 2004, he launched Telfar, which is just his first name, simple to the point, sweet and to the point, Telfar. So Telfar has a multitude of products. We have pants, we have tops, we have hats, we have belts. It's literally a lot of shit. Like, there's a lot of stuff. And one thing I love about the brand, and of course the bags, the bags are the most popular item in his brand, in his collection. But the one thing I love, not only him being a black person, a black man, but all of the pieces are unisex. Men, women, children, anybody can wear them. And that's one thing that I love. I love unisex clothing. I love versatility in clothing. I love non-gender clothing. Like, you just wear what you want, and I love that, and I'm here for that. So that's one thing that I love about his brand. But the most popular thing, like I keep saying, is the bags. The bags are definitely his most popular, most hot commodity to get. Like, those bags go on his website and then they're sold out like that, like hotcakes, fast, like Beyonce tickets. Like, they sell out fast, super fast. Like, they had a restock the other day, and myself and other people included did not even get a notification email saying that it was in stock, because it was just gone just like that. Like, it's crazy. People were just waiting because I wanted another color, and then I was like, I put in the email to get like the email for it, and I didn't get it. And I saw other people say the same thing, but I did manage to get one bag, which I'm super excited about. So we're gonna get into that in a second, but let's talk about the specs of the bag. If you don't know, now you know. Let's talk about it. The bag comes in 3 sizes. We have the small one, which is $150, the medium one, which is $200, and then the large one is extra juicy large. It is $250. The price range is really good. I think that's a beautiful price point for a really good bag. So let's get into this unboxing. I already have it unboxed here to the right of me, so I'm gonna insert the clip of when I first got it and me actually unboxing it. So let's get into that clip. Now that you've seen that clip, let's get into the bag in person right now in real time. It came in the box. Let's tell my story. So It was, like I said, sold out on the Telfar website, and then I went on this website called Lyst, Lyst, which they show you all of, like, you could type in anything that you want and it shows you a variety of stores and locations that you can get that specific item. So I typed in Telfar, and then it came up on this website, this boutique called Biffy Boutique, that is located in Milan, Italy. And of course I did my research, I looked it up, made sure that the boutique was reputable, everything was good, everything was real. And then, but Lyst is a prominent website, so you know it's no BS, like it's gonna be real. So I trust Lyst. So if you don't know, Lyst, definitely check out Lyst. You can find whatever you want and see where it is. So I will link that link in my description box. But I found it on Biffy Boutique. It literally came in 2 days. The shipping was bomb. That's why I said, America, get it together, because these places is in Milan and it's coming in 2 to 3 days. Like it came in 3 days. It came in 3 days. Definitely came in 3 days, but that's still really, really quick from coming from another country. So let's get into it. Came in the box, came in this little, I guess you could say this is their dust bag. And yeah, it came like that. It came with like this cardboard propping it up. And then I got, drum roll, I got the black one. I've been wanting like just a everyday walk around black bag, because black, when you have a black bag, you can wear that pretty much with almost everything, depending on what's in your wardrobe and the type of pieces that you wear in your wardrobe. But you can pretty much wear a black bag with everything. And then I got the medium size, and the medium size, I can pretty much fit a lot of stuff in it. My most important thing, I wanted to make sure that it fit my MacBook. I have a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and it fit perfectly with some space still left in it. So that was like one of the most important things to me. And I was like, the small one is cute, but I knew that I wanted a different small bag, so I didn't get the mini one. I ended up getting this one, and then I do still want like the oversized large one, which I'm probably gonna be getting soon whenever they restock. So I definitely want to get that one. But got the medium black. If you don't know, all of Telfar bags are vegan leather. And yeah, so we have in the front, let's look at it. It has the Telfar logo right here, which is the T. And then his, like I said, his last name is Clemens, Telfar Clemens. So if you notice, is the T, and then it goes into a C. That is the logo, TC, Telfar Clemens. If you didn't know that, I don't know where you've been, but yeah, that is the logo. So the black, it looks really, really good. I love how it looks. Like, you look at this bag and you're like, ooh, luxury, for a really, really good price point. And then the back is just a plain leather detailing. And then we open it. One thing I like as well, you have like the straps at the top that you can hold it like this. And then you also have the long straps that you could put it over your shoulder, or you could put it around your chest. But you can also take the long straps and tuck them in, so you don't have to see the long straps. You can just see these short straps on the top. So again, versatility. I love versatility in clothing, in pieces, in wardrobe. So I love that. And then we open the bag, and at the top it has the magnetic like snap button. So close it like that, and then of course we open it like that. And then inside you can see the bag is definitely has a lot of room, a lot of space, as you can see. And then to the bottom right here, you see the Telfar logo right here. And then it has a pocket, of course, which I love, because when you just have a bag like this, if you didn't have the pocket, you need some type of organizer, because everything will just be thrown all over the place. But it has the pocket, so you can put like your cash, your wallet, little card holder, your AirPods, money, whatever floats your boat, coins, you can just throw that in there. I have in here just the tag, because of course I wore this already, so I already took the tag off. So this is the tag that came with it. But yeah, this is the bag. I love it. I'm excited about it. Again, this bag was But on Biffy Boutique I actually got a discount, so I'm gonna share with you how much I actually paid. So originally the medium shopping bag, it was $198, and then they have like a welcome code, so when you join you get 15% off. So I ended up paying $168.30. So like I said, I will definitely link the Biffy Boutique website in the description box. You can go check it out, and then I will also link the Telfar website in the description box as well, so you can go shop and check it out. But I love this bag. I'm excited about it. It does have like a smell, but the smell goes away. Like, you can still smell it faintly, but when you first get it, you're gonna have this like smell, because it is, like I said, it's a vegan leather. So a lot of fake leather or vegan leather or not real leather has like a odor or a smell. So right now it's definitely has gone away, but when you first get it, you really smell it. But that's neither here or there. I still love the bag. I still think it's dope, and I still think it's a fire piece to have in your wardrobe with a good price point, and it can go with any outfit. So Telfar bag, check on my wish list. I'm excited about this, and yeah, that is it for this video. Short, sweet, to the point unboxing. So if you guys enjoyed it, you already know, give this video a thumbs up. Definitely comment down below, let me know what you think. Do you have a Telfar? Do you want one? Let me know. I will definitely try to find if it's anywhere possible for any of these bags to be in stock anywhere. I will link it in the description box. If not, I will definitely link the Telfar website, so you guys can sign. If you want the bag, you can like sign in with like you can sign your email and be on like the email waiting list, so when it comes back in stock, you will be the first to know, hopefully. So I will definitely link the Telfar website, like I said, in my description box. But that is it for the video. Definitely subscribe to my channel. Definitely check out my blog, www.briavancouten.com. Follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Couten, my Twitter and my Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, love, deuces.